Do you want a sneak peek of the Wizard Workshop's Magic Mind Lounge? I hope so. Very short, a lot of rapid prototyping today in between setting up for paper making workshop tomorrow with somebody who's come in and they've got their Hollander. So this here is the sign, which I thought I'd do, and it's very official. The Magic Mind Lounge. You are now entering the Magic Mind Lounge. The rainbow, flowbow, yes. So the main big idea of the Magic Mind Lounge is to talk about the philosophy of the world according to Peter Harris. So this here, I drew a diagram years ago, and I still think this is the key to understanding life, the universe, and everything as far as our actual practical experience within the universe. So we have the human is a link between a part of heaven and a part of earth, and the staff represents that, the upright human being with the 7 levels, developmental levels, chakras. Very, very powerful explanatory thing for our various levels. And then that becomes the center for manifestation, and the 5 wisdoms of process I diagram as a tree with a fractal tree with 5 main sectors of process, and then each one is like a little world within itself. In the blue zone, the green, the yellow, and the red, and in the purple center, that's built up. That's the status quo, which is built up layer by layer. And then down below us is the world, the earth, and that is often called the goddess or the earth and Gaia. And up here, the transcendental wisdom is often called God, the source, the ultimate, and the is. So this will be our talking blackboard. At the moment it's got diagrams for altars of art, which are things to hold our various figurines that I have been casting and making for years now. Here we go, standing desk, Dreamweavers, yay! We're going to start a group, Dreamweavers, for art, philosophy, free speech, and much, much more. And a poster that says the is magical, magical theism. The is magical, so life is magical, and we are too. Expect miracles, manifestations, synergies, synchronicities, resonances, renaissances, epiphanies, eucatastrophes, as Tolkien has it, and love. And here we are, the declaration of the true West, which all wizards should adhere to. Sword of the 5th element. The stages of development of an owl from egg to first flight. Lovely poster I got. And there's one of the characters, a gnome-like character, the guardian of the orchard of knowledge, and an owl carved. So lots of things I love. I got a dragon recently. That was worth getting, I think. So here is an actual staff which I put up here with a staff of the 7 chakras. So tribal belonging, going up to I and thou, partnership, money, sex, all of that stuff. Then this, self-esteem, the solar plexus, and then the heart, which is halfway between earth and heaven, which is basically represented by the crown chakra.